This is the Ryzen seat base option for the Audi Q7. We normally concentrate on the Porsche Cayenne interiors, but we've been asked to develop this for the Q7, which obviously gives people a lot more options as well. And I just wanted to talk you through some of the features of it. The way that we design our seat bases is we use these 45-degree angles. And the reason we use the 45 is because of the strength that that gives, because we've got these massively strong triangular sections. What you'll see here is the 14mm holes that we have line up with the standard floor of the Volkswagen Transporter. So these align exactly where the holes would be for a normal combi rear seat setup. In terms of height, what we've got here is around 200mm from the base of the seat base up to where the bottom of the seat runners will sit. And the other thing that we've done here is we've put some slots in the underneath so make it easier to bolt the seat in place. This one has been powder coated in a satin black. Now, color options on these is any color available. So if you fancy a seat upgrade to put into your Volkswagen Transporter, these are available for the Porsche Cayenne seats, the Audi Q7 seats, and also the Volkswagen Touareg seats. So that will give you 5 adult seat-belted seats in a combi setup in your Volkswagen Transporter, along with a load more footroom in the rear. So to pre-order yours, all you need to do is go onto our website or get in touch with us via the WhatsApp that's also on our website. You can also contact us through Instagram, YouTube, or pretty much any channel you can find us.